Hi everyone, I am Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, we will be answering this question. What is factoring? But first, we will define what is a factor or what are factors. We actually had this lesson in the past episode. Basically, we know that factors are exact numbers or whole numbers that can be exactly divided from a number. Okay, example, 12. What are the factors of 12? We have 1 and 12. Remember that 1 and the number itself are always factors of a number. So aside from 1 and 12, we also have 2 and 6. 3 and 4 are also factors of 12. So these are all factors of 12. In here, since we are dealing with polynomials and expressions, when we say factor, a polynomial is called a factor of another polynomial if the latter can be expressed as a product of two or more polynomials. Okay, example. This expression x squared plus 3x plus 2. If we will express this one as a product of two or more polynomials, then that would be x plus 1 times x plus 2. Then this x plus 1 plus and x plus 2, these are what we call factors of this expression. Here, the factors are whole numbers. Here, the factors are expressions. But the concepts or the meanings are just the same. Okay, now, let me highlight this one as a product of two or more polynomials. Let's say we have this expression. And the factors are this one, and this one. Okay, in here, if we will multiply this factor to this factor, the result is also a factor of this expression. This factor times this factor result is also a factor. This factor times this factor result is also a factor of this expression. Okay, why? Let's say, for example, 12. 2 times 2 times 3. 12 can be expressed as 2 times 2 times 3. So this is what we call factorization. If we will multiply 2 times 2, then this is 4. And 4 is still factor of 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is also factor of 12 or is also factor of 12. So when we multiply this factor by this factor, result is also a factor. This factor times this factor, result is still factor. Okay, what about factoring or factorization? This is now the process of expressing a polynomial as a product of two or more factors. If this is our expression, x squared plus 3x plus 2, okay, to find or if we will find the factors, then that would be factoring. If we are going to find the original expression that has been factored out, then that is what we call expanding. And we can expand these expressions using distributive property. So this is x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2. And that would be equal to this expression. Okay, we will be using this concept and factor to answer this concept check question. Find the polynomial that has been factored into the following expression. So it means this given here are factors of an expression. So we will find that expression. So we can do that using distributive property. So this is then x squared plus x. So this is our expression. What about number 2? So this is then x squared y plus y squared x. For number 3, so we have here 2a squared minus 2ab. What about for this number 4? So using distributive property, let's find the expression. So this is ab plus 3a minus b minus 3. So this is the expression. Okay, what about here? Find all the factors of the following polynomial. So x times x minus 2. So x times x minus 2. This is one term, considered one term. So it means this is a factor. X is another factor. And take note, 1 and the number itself are also factors. So there are 4 factors for this given. What about here? X plus or a plus b times a minus b. So this is factor. This is also factor. This given is a factor and 1 is considered a factor. So we have also 4 factors for this given. Okay, now, let's answer this simple question. Which of the following is not a factor of x squared times x plus y? Okay, this expression can be written as x times x times x plus y. So which of the following is not a factor of this expression? So this factor times this factor result is still factor of this expression. This one times this one, still factor of this expression. Times this one, factor of this expression. So it means x is a factor. X plus y is a factor. What about y? Y is not a factor. And for number 4, x times x plus y, this is a factor. And x squared is also a factor. So which is not a factor? We have here this option 3.